start smoking.
Now, fellas, this I think what I was looking for the results in that weed spray. Now, I barely sprayed this one when I first did this one, and it looks like it's doing the stuff. Check it out. So I can hit it with a little mist just to, I'm not gonna hit it hard this time, guys. I'm just gonna, that's it. We're gonna get this knocked out, man. So Little update on that weed spray, a little cut footage, man. It's Friday. I got about 6 more to do. So, man, I'll holler at you guys later, man. You guys have a good weekend. You guys stay hydrated. Stay full of fluids, water. And, man, get you some rest in between time, too. I know it's been pretty busy, and, it's beginning of the season been wearing me out. So, man, wish you guys the best. Have a good weekend, man. I'll holler at you later. Boneyard Lawn Service. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like.
Start smoking.